In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register, log in, and find your password for your Bank of America account using both mobile and website platforms, ensuring you navigate your online banking with ease and confidence. First, let's look at how to register. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Bank of America website. Once you're there, look for the Enroll button. This button is often highlighted to capture your attention, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Clicking Enroll will guide you to the registration page where you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. You'll need to have either your bank account card number, your social security number, or your tax identification number ready, as this information is required to complete your registration. Once you've entered the necessary information, make sure you confirm your email to validate your identity. This step is vital as it prevents unauthorized access and ensures that the email associated with your account is yours. Now let's move on to logging into your account. First, you'll need to return to the Bank of America website. At the top of the home page, you'll see the Login button. Clicking this will open the Sign In page. Here's where you'll need your user ID and password. It's a good practice to store your user ID securely or memorize it, keeping it confidential to maintain the security of your banking information. If at any point you find yourself in a situation where you can't remember your user ID or password, don't worry, there's an easy fix. Start by navigating to the Bank of America website. Instead of heading to the Login section, look for the link that says Forgot User ID, Password. Clicking this will open a series of instructions to recover your credentials. You'll be taken through a verification process to confirm your identity. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Follow the prompts carefully. This step is crucial to making sure that only you are accessing the recovery options. By completing the verification, you should be able to reset your password or recover your user ID seamlessly. By following these steps, you should be able to register, log in, and recover your Bank of America account details efficiently. Always remember to keep your login credentials private and secure. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact me.